We want to look at how nature moves and utilize nature's intelligence and nature's movement. So Tai Chi is nature's movement pattern. Remember that the Tai Chi pattern is not the yin yang symbol. The yin yang symbol is the yin yang symbol. Wu Ji is the source. Tai Chi is what is in between. Tai Chi is neither Wu Ji nor yin yang. It's what is in between all things that are birthing and dying. Tai Chi is the force which facilitates nothing into something, life, the life cycle. Likewise, the force which facilitates something to nothing, the death cycle. The Tai Chi symbol represents the energetic pattern along the space time and continuum, whereby one yields to, two becomes four, and then we get the 10,000 things. The spiral pattern emerges to be observable, ever present, and ever present throughout the natural world. And it was Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician who's famous for exploring and noting this simple pattern in flowers, pine cones, water, shells, etc. So Tai Chi is the way that nature manifests its power, the template for creation that's utilized by nature. That's the Tai Chi template. And within this template exists nature's wisdom. And I theorize interfacing with her provides access to her intelligence. By learning to embody the pattern, when one can interface with this, they can access that wisdom in a deep and profound way. So, as for my teacher, again, harmonizing the energy with the energy of the natural universe. That's the goal of a Tai Chi Chuan practitioner. So remember that Tai Chi facilitates the life cycle, and it also is the continuous movement that facilitates the death cycle as well.